We got the all-new Cinnamon Roll Centers Blizzard from Dairy Queen. Now, I'm a fan of cinnamon, more specifically when it comes to like churros or other sweets in that nature. I'm not crazy about cinnamon, but we got it. Let's try it. Let's see how this one is, shall we? If I could get a scoop. Oh, there we go. Okay, here we go. Okay. So the cinnamon, honestly, fairly enough, it is quite subtle, fairly good. It's almost like you have cookie dough bites in there, but they're cinnamon flavored. It's fairly good. I personally wouldn't buy it again, but I'll give it a 7.5 out of 10. Check it out. Let me know what you think about it.